saw the Bayanihan Dance Troupe opening up this very special opening number. And this is the Southeast Asian Games flag being unfurled.
Mga kaibigan, ang watawat ng Southeast Asian Games Federation.
The Southeast Asian Games Federation flag is borne by the Philippine Sports Ambassadors. Entering is 15 gold winner and the only Filipino to garner the title of Best Male Athlete of the Southeast Asian Games, twice champion swimmer Eric Buhai.
Kasama rin ang SEA Games record holder sa long jump.
With 8 straight long jump championships and 15 gold winner El Mamuros Posadas.
At dito rin ang kauna-unang at dating Pilipino badminton player na lumahok sa Olympics noong 1996.
1997 SEA Games bronze medalist in the badminton doubles event, Weena Lim.
Kasama muli ang ating mga kampiyon sa larangan ng boxing, taekwondo at bowling.
Once again, we have champion boxer Matsueto Onyok Velasco, taekwondo master Monsur Del Rosario, and bowling champion Rafael Paeng Nepomuceno.
Mga kaibigan, ipinakikilala ang kumakatawan sa giting at galing ng bayang Pilipinas.
The proud mascot of the 23rd Southeast Asian Games, Gilas. Gilas is a Philippine monkey-eating eagle, the world's largest eagle. His name means agility and vigor, and he sure is soaring proudly with the spirit of the athletes today.
Now with the parade of the athletes from all 11 countries participating here in the 23rd Southeast Asian Games. And the first to lead the charge in the 2005 SEA Games Parade of Athletes is the Sultanate of Brunei.
With 110 participating athletes.
Kingdom of unexpected treasures, a small country with a big heart. Brunei Darussalam is led by their flag bearer, Mr. Yunus Hamid, bronze medalist of the Southeast Asian Games Fencing Championship of 2005.
Our brothers and sisters from the northwestern part of the island of Borneo are here to take and to make the 350,000-strong Sultanate of Brunei populace very proud.
Olympic Council.
I see the champion of Brunei Darussalam, Mr. Bangkok.
Their athletes will be competing in 7 different disciplines such as karate, lawn ball, pencak silat, sepak takraw, taekwondo, traditional boat race, and wushu. They have sent 271 proud athletes and 120 officials to this biennial meet.
Balita rin natin yung Brunei Prince, His Highness Jeffrey Bolkiah, will also be part of the contingent.
That's right. Kanina sa billiards, dumating isang prinsipe ng Brunei, and we also heard that other members of the Royal House of Brunei Darussalam are on hand to cheer on their athletes here in the 23rd Southeast Asian Games.
Palakpakan po ulit natin ang mga atleta ng Brunei Darussalam.
They have a lot of reasons to cheer on the athletes from Brunei Darussalam because in Vietnam SEA Games, Brunei garnered 1 gold medal, a silver medal, and 8 bronze medals and finished 10th place overall.
Ngayon ang mga atleta ng Cambodia.
Ito ngayon ang mga taga-Cambodia.
Cambodia has a total number of 130 delegates with 84 participating athletes.
As you heard, 130 delegates from Cambodia with 84 participating athletes.
Home of the majestic Angkor, an ancient culture imbuing them with an age-old tradition of resilience. Cambodia is led by their flag bearer, Mr. Kong Ratana Moni, wrestler in the 55-kilogram category and silver medalist in the 22nd SEA Games held in Vietnam.
The athletes and officials of Cambodia waving their flag
With them
proudly.
is the Chief of Mission, Mr. Krung Kun Yi, Executive Board Member of the National Olympic Committee of Cambodia, Secretary General